Today is Monday. It's the start of a new weekly vlog. I don't know if you saw my hair yesterday. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Tayo. I'm a Nigerian living in Dublin, Ireland. Welcome to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Welcome back if you are not new. Thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So today is Monday. It's the start of a new weekly vlog, and yeah, today I have my hair appointment today. Yeah, so I'm finally going to get my hair done. So then also I'm working today. So yeah, hopefully my hair doesn't take too long, and if possible I'd love to make the gym before work, but I don't know, we'll see when I finish the hair if I have enough time to hit the gym before I go to work. So that's the plan for today. I hope you guys are doing well. Right now I want to have my shower and get ready to head out to meet my hairstylist. Yeah. Hi guys, so I'm heading out now. I'm going to get my hair done. So I'm packed. From there I'll go to the gym, hopefully, and then work. So I just have this sweatpants and this gym top, so in case, yeah, and I have my work clothes in my bag, so yeah, no chances. So let's go. So guys, done with my hair. This is it. I love it, but yeah, it's 5 p.m. now. I'm at the gym. I booked spin class and to be starting soon, so I need to go for the spin class. I just wanted to give you guys an update. So from here I'll be heading to work. Yeah, yes. Hi guys, happy Tuesday. It's Tuesday, so I work tonight also, but now I'm ready. I'm heading to the gym. Then from the gym I'll go to work. So guys, I don't know if you saw my hair yesterday, but that's it. Anyway, I'm wearing this top. I'm wearing this top and this set from Pennies. So yeah, that's the gym fit. Yeah, so I'm about to head to the gym soon. I'll try to film. I booked the strong class and heated polar class, so I'll try to film in the strong class. It's impossible to film in the heated polar because the room is dark and we are constantly moving from machine to machine. So anyway, that's it guys. Talk to you maybe tomorrow or Thursday. Hey guys, happy Thursday. Yeah, so it's Thursday. I'm off today. I worked last night, so I woke up like almost an hour ago. I've eaten, so now I'm ready for the gym. I have this unitard. Yeah, I have this unitard on because I'm going for heated polar. So Yeah, that's why I'm going to put this, and think I wear a sweatpant on top of this. So guys, oh yeah, so this happened yesterday at the gym. So I was doing the workout program my trainer made for me because she's still away. She'll be back next week. I can't wait. So anyway, I was doing the hip thrust and I was trying to load it. I wanted to use the is it the booty builder machine, but somebody was on it, so I used like the normal hip thrust machine with the bar and like the bench. I was trying to load the plates, then my hand just went through the metal and it ripped my skin away. So yeah, it hurts really bad. So anyway, I covered it. So yeah, that happened. So anyway, yeah. So now I'm on my way to the gym. I booked strong class and heated polar class. So guys, I need to be on my way. So I'll try to film at the gym. Florence, my gym buddy, is supposed to come, but I don't know. I haven't heard from her, so I don't know if she's going to make it. So, but anyway, guys, talk to you guys later. Hi guys, happy Friday. So today's Friday and I'm about to clean the house. Yeah, so that's the plan for today. I want to clean the house, go grocery shopping, then I'll be going to the gym later. So yeah, let's get to cleaning. I was supposed to have cleaned last week, but I didn't know. I was checking the wrong dates. So yeah, I'm cleaning now.
RDMS.
Give me life, give me love.
So guys, I'm done cleaning. I want to have my shower now and go to Aldi for groceries. So anyway, I was listening to this Limo Please playlist. Remember some few vlogs back, I was like, oh, I booked my holiday. I no wait, what did I even say? I think I said I'm planning my holiday, but yeah, that plan didn't work. So I wanted to go to London for Limo Blaze and Joel's store. So but I'm not going. So there was a playlist of the set list. Yeah, so I was just listening to that. So yeah, since I could not go to the tour, I brought the tour to me. So that was nice. And he was in Nigeria this past weekend. Yeah, he went to Lagos on Saturday, then I think no, Abuja on Saturday, then Lagos on Sunday. Yeah. So but I couldn't go. Yeah, so anyway, that's it. And also the song I was talking about in the last vlog, Sing of Your Love, it was not out, so but now it's actually out. Yeah. Sing of Your Love, Elevation Rhythm featuring Joel. So anyway, let me quickly have my shower and go grocery shopping. Talk to you guys later. Even though I did not deserve it, in the way, in the truth, in the life that I choose, and nothing's gonna keep you away. My light in the dark, So I'm back. Let me do a quick grocery haul. That's eggs. Tomatoes. Shrimp. I found the rice recipe online I want to try. And also tuna wrap recipe, so I got tortilla wraps. I got a lot of berries. Strawberries, raspberries. Got this brioche loaf. Protein pancakes. These chips. Blueberries. Blackberries. I haven't had blackberries in a long time. So, apple. Banana. Got coconut milk for the coconut rice for the recipe. So, sriracha. This for the tuna wrap. Chicken. No. Turkey sausage. I got this chili, pepper, and garlic chicken wings. 2 breaded cod fidlets. I hope I like this. I got shortbread biscuits. I got lemon and lime sparkling water. Milk. I didn't realize I got protein milk. Anyway, hot chocolates. Then maple syrup. Chocolates. Brioche swirls. Get to work. Spring onions, tuna, if I like it. I really hope I like it. Bell peppers, tuna, I got 2. Then cheese, that's it. Yeah guys, let me put this up. So guys, it's hours later. A new episode of Grey's Anatomy is out, so I'm about to watch that. I think they have one more episode, then the season is over, because one came out yesterday, and like on Disney Plus it comes out after a week, so I'm about to watch last week's episode. So I think yesterday's episode was the last one, was the season finale. But anyway, yeah.
Yet.
Okay, you can lay back now. All right.
Hi, Dr. Warren. Let's get a repeat acetaminophen level, ALT, AST, potassium.
You can just say CMP.
I strongly recommend to the committee that we proceed.
Thank you. At least one of you is fighting for your patient.
And between her multiple scans, mental status exam, previous clinical findings and tests, I have no reason to say it's anything other than Alzheimer's.
Gosh, she's the youngest person I've seen with it.
It happens.
Yeah, it shouldn't.
No. But younger patients do hold clues to the disease.
Hi guys, so it's hours later. I'm ready for the gym. I'm wearing this sports bra and this gym pants, which is too big for me. Oh gosh, it's going to be a struggle. Anyway, and this jacket. Yeah, so it's raining. I wanted to walk to the gym, but it's raining now. I have to take the bus. Okay, guys, I'll see if I can film at the gym. Let's see. Today I'm doing strong class and heated puller. So yesterday I didn't do heated puller because Florence didn't want to do. That's my gym buddy. She wanted to do today, and another of my colleagues, she's coming for the heated puller today. So I just decided to skip it yesterday. So me and Florence, we did some back exercises after the strong class. So but today we are doing strong and heated puller. So that's going to be fun. Let's go. Okay, so we finished pump class. Be careful. I didn't film anything in pump class. I'm here with Florence. Say hi. Hi. She don't want to say hi. So we are waiting for the heated puller class to start. Okay. Oh, we did the squat challenge. My Florence just did the squat challenge. That was painful. I'm going to make the reel when I get home. Hi guys, happy Saturday. So it's the next day. I think I'm going to be ending this vlog today because I'm working tonight and I'm working tomorrow night. So there'll be nothing much left to vlog. So but today, before I go to work, I need to cook. I need to meal prep. Yeah, I found some recipes that I want to try. One for like a coconut rice and a tuna wrap. So yeah, I'll make that like in an hour. Yeah, so then I'll take you guys along with me for that also. But yeah, guys, that's the plan for today. That I will be heading to work. Yeah, guys. Hi guys, so I'm in the kitchen now. I'm about to start cooking. I hope the food comes out well. Anyway, let's do this. Hi guys, so I'm done cooking. I've been done for hours. At lunch, so I'm about to get ready for work. So before I do that, I want to end this vlog. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you. Bye guys.